One of the most fun tools in Photoshop is the Liquify tool. It's located under the Filter menu. It's called Liquify, and it brings up its own palette with its own menu. For instance, you even have your own Zoom tool in your own hand. So let's zoom in just a little bit. And here we have some brushes. So let's pick a brush. You have the brush size and the density and the pressure and some other options you can play with. If you hold down the space bar, you can even move your image. This is actually a favorite tool of fashion photographers because they can actually manipulate the model. I call this the silly putty tool because you can move and stretch and push an image around just as if it's silly putty. But a fashion photographer will often move the placement of a model's eyes, or thin their chin, or even change the size of their eyes. So let's get a smaller brush, and we can enlarge, and you can even actually be quite humorous and have a lot of fun with it. Now at any point, if you want to undo, so to speak, we can reconstruct, and if we just click, it goes backwards slowly until you see your original. Of course, the larger brush you use, the more subtle your manipulation and the less easy for someone to detect. And of course, it's better to underdo than to overdo, but you can have some fun with it. And I will let you play with that on your own. But it's also a very good tool to use to create ripples in a reflection. So here's our new version. And if I undo, there's the original. So if you do it properly, people will not notice.